Hello guys, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix sender name not showing on your Outlook. Let's begin. First, open your Outlook and I want you to focus your attention on the upper left portion of your screen. Click on View. It should be right beside Folder and Help, and then access View Settings. Go to Columns, and over here, most likely from is missing in this area. So actually you might need to add it up and it should be visible right over here. Let's just say, for example, I'm going to remove this. Okay. So you will see what happens. So from remove. So it's here for available columns. Just simply select from, left click once, and click on add. And boom, there you go. The functionality is now available for me on my Outlook. Press on OK, OK, and you're done. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.